I don't recognize this bird. Could you look it up for me?
Yeah, sure. Is it a red-breasted shit breath?
Of course not. We'd be able to smell it from here.
Could be a Simon's warbler.
Simon has been dead since 1932.
Is it a reticulating spline?
I'd say it's undulating?
That could mean it's a harmonizing squee.
No, those are always able to travel in groups and usually near nerd conventions.
Is it a 3-footed hornbill?
Inconclusive. I only see 2.
Mustachioed parakeet?
5 o'clock shadow at best.
Is it a pileated plantain eater?
Thought it might be, but that's a banana.
Then it could be a deep-throated starling.
Ooh, this bird definitely has its gag reflex.
Fine. What does it look like?
Like a pigeon.
Is it a pigeon?
Probably, yeah. Hey, little guy.
Huh?